Morning everyone. Alan's just doing a little clean and a sweep. We've just done a little bit of use at the service point, and we're about to set off for Chartres. Don't know what's there, but we'll find out.
Yeah, I'm sure it'll be lovely.
It's 103 miles and we should be there. We've just gone 12:30. Still we're trying to get to where it's a little bit warmer
And not so rainy.
but also not have a huge massive drive, which was originally the plan. But yeah, this cold and this rain, it's not conducive for sitting out in bars and even sitting in bars, because they all seem to be shut.
Yeah.
But we'll see what we find on the way down there. It's January, the sun has finally came out, the rain has stopped, and we've got a whole section of major road, A road we call them. It's definitely not the toll roads, don't use toll roads. We've got it all to ourselves. Look at that, it's perfect. Right, we're just about to come into Chartres. The abbey or the cathedral has been visible on the
yards, turn right,
skyline for a very, very long way. And it's taken us all the way from the north of the town to the south on the ring road, and bringing us into the air on the south. We're going to have a little look see. We're only a short distance away now, because I've been forgetting to put the arrivals at the airs on and switch the camera on. We'll just take our time.
Turn right, then you have reached your destination.
There we go.
Yeah.
That's it. All those vans are parked.
Didn't see any signs though.
No, I think it's not an air as such, it's just a parking.
After 200 yards, you have reached your destination.
Get in that gap there.
Looks a little bit soggy.
This is the little camping car air at Chartres. It's just a little tree-lined area with a bit of a gravel car park. There is a campsite a little further on, about 500 metres, which they said for €2 you can go and use the services. But at this time of the year it's not open. But yeah, I reckon it's a 30-minute walk into Chartres, which is over there. It's got an amazing cathedral, the Cathedral de Notre Dame, which they all seem to be. But we'll go and have a look and see what we can see.
See what we can see.
Yeah. And Buffy can have a good sniff.
Yes. Just
Well, evening everyone.
Hi.
We have had a nice little walk around Chartres at night. We've seen the lit up illuminations that they light the buildings up on.
They've been absolutely stunning, haven't they? Especially up around the cathedral.
Yeah, we noticed last year that Le Mans, not last year, the year before, did something similar, but they weren't lit. These end on the 14th of January. They've been here since April 22, and we thought we'd walk up and have a look. Don't normally go out in the dark, but yeah, we thought we'd go and have a look.
Look at us going out.
And it was definitely worthwhile. So if you ever find out that there's a place that does them, go and see them.
It's been really, really lovely, hasn't it?
It has. But anyway, going back to Brian,
Get warm.
because it's getting cold now. Cold.